Hi guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today I have something different for you. So right now I'm outside Istanbul restaurant with my family, which is on Wilmslow Road, and this is just right next to Jaffa's, as you can see. So I have decided to do this vlog because this is one of my favorite restaurants and I highly recommend for you to go there. By the way, if you are new to my channel, then I would really appreciate if you could please subscribe to my channel. So this is probably 4th time that I'm coming in this restaurant with my family, and every time I come the staffs are amazing and the food is so delicious, I can't even explain. They have varieties of food in the menu and all of these are Turkish food, and I think these are quite healthy as well because it's all grilled. Usually when I'm with my family, what I do is get a platter and I create my own one, and this is what exactly I'm going to be doing today. So I will be choosing some chicken kebab and some lamb chops. I promise that every time I have the meat, it's always fresh and it's always super tender and delicious. So here they've got some chicken skewers and some lamb skewers and also some vegetable skewers, and I'm going to be choosing all of them. Next I'll be choosing some chicken wings, and this is chicken liver, I think, I don't want that, and more vegetable skewers. This one here is aubergine and lamb skewers, I'll definitely choose that. We've decided not to have any fish today. So this is the platter that I usually get. So as you can see, it says create your own family platter. I did say earlier that they have many more items. As you can see, you can get whole grilled chicken, you can have kabida, you can have kabli pulao, naan, you can choose whatever you want. So when you order this family platter, you will get this lentil soup included. That is absolutely delicious. This is actually one of the best soup I ever tried. It looks nice as well because obviously it's quite bright. This soup is not only my favorite, it's also my family's favorite too. I'm not really sure that if you can get the soup on its own, but hey, if you don't ask, you don't get. So definitely ask them if you want it on its own, and if you can, then do let me know in the comment box below. So I'm gonna probably try that because I love the soup. What I'll do is I'll get a little closer, then you can actually see the texture and also the creaminess. Can you see that steam is coming out? It's super hot. It is absolutely delicious. Here we go. Now she's bringing the naan and the salad and all the sauces as well that goes on the side. Again, this is all included in the platter. Yes, now he's bringing our giant platter. Everyone's been waiting for this and we are super excited to dig into it. The waiting time was about 15 to 20 minutes and I think that's quite good waiting time, especially for that platter that they had to prepare. Oh my days, just look at that platter. Oh my god, who wouldn't want to dig into it? Please let me know your expressions right now in the comment box below. And also, if you guys want to see more food blogs, then do let me know in the comment box below and I will recommend the best place for you. With this platter, you get kabli pulao at the bottom, and you also get some pizza slices and some bread and 2 curry dips as well. If you're wondering about the price, I'll tell you right now. So this platter and the sides and including 8 drinks, the bill came up to £75, and I think that is really good price. And I know for sure that 100% once you've tried the food, you're gonna think the price is definitely worth it. You're gonna have to trust me on this because I'm actually not doing any marketings for them. I'm just doing it because I actually love their food. Hey, I've just realized that I'm going on and on about their food. You do know that I have some simple and delicious recipes for you guys, right? I will leave the link at the top right hand corner so you can click on it and check them out. If you actually check out my chicken kebab recipe, it has gone viral and I do have a lot of feedback on that. People love this. It's so simple and super tasty. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now because my throat is hurting and I've been coughing. Don't worry, it's not coronavirus. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this food blog. If you do like watching my videos, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Many more recipes are coming up soon, so stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. I want to give a big thank you to all of you who has subscribed to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you for all your love and support. Nearly I have 7,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the food now, so I'm just grabbing a bit of everything on my plate because I am starving right now. I really hope you enjoy watching the rest of the vlog. I'm going to end the talking here and go and enjoy my food, so I will see you guys soon in my next video. Take care and stay safe till then.